working, student? So on this lecture, we're gonna get our app running at least, so that way we can start adding things to it. All right, so let's go to the brain of our app. Here, this is the main hub, right? And let's go ahead and import Flask. That's the first thing that we gotta do, right? So let's import this guy out, and let's import render template. This is gonna help us render the HTML, all right? Let's see, let's save that, come back here. And now let's create an instance. Alrighty, perfect. And now what I wanna do is I wanna say, hey, listen, if this name is equal to main, this is just something typical that we do with Python, all right? Just to make sure that, you know, we are running the app on this file here. Alrighty, so basically we're just making sure that, you know, that if this file is being imported from another place, it won't run, right? It will only run here, from here, right? So anyway, let's go ahead and run it. And let's just set this option debug into true here. Simple as that. Hopefully I'm not forgetting anything. Oh, and let's just make a route real quick. Def, and this will be the home. Yeah. And we're gonna return the render template, and we do have an index in there. Let's just make sure that we have something here. H1, and we're just gonna say home. There we go. All right, let's come back here. Alrighty, we are importing the package. We are importing some methods here that we are using to render the HTML, and that we have a function here that's going to get triggered by a decorator that I haven't put there yet. And then we're just making sure that this is running here on this file. So let's go here and create a decorator, and we're gonna say app route. This is coming all from Flask, all right? Even though decorators are something that Python uses, you know, Flask is using them to for routes. So there we go, and let's see if we're missing something else. I think we're good to go here. This is very simple. Let's open this, and let's just say Python. Since we are in the virtual environment, we can do Python instead of Python 3. And we can just execute that file. And you can see now that we're running something here, right? So I'm gonna copy this guy out, and let's just come back here. Well, you can always click it too. You can press the command key and click it, and that works, all right? If you're using a Mac, or control click, all right? And you can see now that we are running our application, all right? So I'm gonna make this lecture simple and short, right? I'm just gonna leave it like this. On the next following lecture, we're gonna continue with our app. Guys, continue with this, be consistent. This can get a little boring sometimes when you're not seeing a lot of results here in the browser and things don't look pretty, but you need to be consistent, even if it bores you, because you need this knowledge, right? You're here for a reason. So make sure you stick with it, make sure you finish the series, make sure that you get your knowledge, and then you jump into the next thing that you know, I offer or anybody else offers in Python. You need to get your Python knowledge up there so that way you can start doing really cool things. Just keep going, be consistent, do a little bit every day, and you should be fine. Anyway, guys, I'll see you on the next lecture. Take care.